Welcome to UpFix. Is your ABS light on? Are you facing issues with your anti-lock brake control module? Before you consider replacing it, let's talk about why repairing your original module with UpFix might be the best choice you can make. By having your part repaired, you will save hundreds and in some cases even thousands of dollars. So let's dive in and see how making the choice to repair can make a big difference. You will feel good about using an eco-friendly service, helping the planet, and your wallet will thank you. At UpFix, we understand the importance of cost-effective solutions. Replacing your ABS module can be expensive, often costing hundreds or thousands of dollars. And also, what if the part is on back order at the dealership or the part is no longer being manufactured? What do? Here are some of the common issues with a faulty ABS control module. No communication with ABS module. Intermediate power loss. ABS pump constantly running. Wheel speed sensor issues. Valve faults. Unable to read ABS codes. UpFix offers an eco-friendly solution to repair your existing faulty anti-lock brake control module. Don't buy a new or used replacement part. Send your original part to UpFix for repair and save hundreds. The order process is fast and easy. This service requires that you remove the part from your vehicle and send it to UpFix for repair. Every unit is repaired by IPC certified technicians and is fully tested before shipping back to you. UpFixing your existing part eliminates the need to have it programmed. It will be plug and play when you get it back. The reason is because it's already programmed to your vehicle, and the VIN number and all the settings will remain the same and will not change. Once we receive your part, our trained IPC certified technicians will run tests to identify the source of the problem. We will rebuild your part, replacing not only the failed components, but all components that are usually known to fail or go bad in this part. We want to make sure that your experience is as effortless as possible. All you have to do is send the part to us. Then after receiving the part back from us, just reinstall it and you're back on the road. Choose UpFix for a hassle-free, cost-effective solution to ABS module needs. Repairing your parts helps to reduce waste, save valuable resources, and contribute to a healthier planet, aligning perfectly with eco-friendly living. Repair your original part, save money, and enjoy the confidence of a guaranteed repair. Visit us at upfix.com to start your repair process. UpFix is your plug-and-play solution.